Jeez. Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Tape Measure Pencil Knife. Tape Measure Pencil Knife. Today we're going to be building a canvas. Building a frame and stretching a canvas on some regular old Idaho studs. 8 foot long, 3.5 by 1.5 inches. As usual, step 1 is getting out all the tools. It's time to tape measure pencil knife. Roll that intro. Let's rip these things. Let's rip the 2x4s into 2x2s, which means 1.5 by 1.5. Yeah, 1.5 by 1.5. Let's go. The next step, cut these. We're gonna cut these into a frame. We need a rectangle. I'm thinking 6 foot across, 3 foot tall. It's just a random size that I feel like would be a good size canvas. I'm gonna make a 6 foot by 3 foot frame on the outside angles, 45-degree cuts, and glue and screw them together. Glue and screw. Then we'll add some angle bracing, keep it nice and straight, glue and screw that, and then it'll be time to wrap the canvas. Let's go. That's all there is to it. That's the frame. Now I'm gonna pull the beadboard table inside here, stretch out some canvas, cut it a little too big, stretch it over the edge, and staple it with a staple gun. This is a real easy project. All there is to it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Canvas making 101. I would probably burn these off or just keep pulling at them till the whole thing unravels. Don't do that. That concludes our canvas making tutorial. Not a lot to it. You build a rectangle frame, stretch some canvas, and you staple it on the back like wrapping a Christmas present. Kinda. Now, if you want to stick around, I'm gonna paint this canvas. Let's go. Hey, nobody told me I had to prime raw canvas. It's getting real fuzzy. I'm gonna prime this thing and start over. That's it. Make a canvas, paint a canvas. I don't know if I'll sell this one. I kind of like it. I might just hang it up in my house. I love Chattanooga. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell thing so you can get a notification when I upload next time.